everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you. And please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. So in this video, I would like to share a Bath and Body Works haul with you. I've got the mini bath fizzies. So adorable, and a couple of other items. So without further ado, let me just show you what I have. So 4 mini bath fizzies in Mary Cookie, which I'm absolutely obsessed with Mary Cookie. I need this in everything. It's only Mary Cookie with that name is only available like in travel size, but the Christmas cookies that's available online in full size is the same scent. So thank you for those of you that commented and let me know that, because I love this. It is absolutely delicious. I'm looking to see if I see a scent description on here. Okay, so scent notes are buttery shortbread, vanilla bourbon icing, and spun sugar. Now that's the Mary Cookie hand soap. So let me show you the packaging, because it's to die for. Like, it literally looks like a bag of cookies. Like, it's so adorable. So 4 mini bath fizzies. This retails for $12.95. And I actually used my coupon. So the coupon that you have, you get a free gift with purchase, anything $14.50 or less. I think it's $14.50 or $14.95. I'm not sure. But I used that coupon and I bought one and got this one for free. So I'm going to open this up, you guys, because I'm so curious. I've actually had these for a couple of days. Oh, I'm disappointed. I thought they were going to look like little chocolate chip cookies, like on the package. That's what I really thought. But instead, it's like just like a little fizzy, a little bath bomb. But it smells yummy. It smells like Mary Cookie. Like buttery cookie. Buttery, sweet, sugary sugar cookie. This smells like sugar cookie. Oh my gosh. I love that scent. So you get 4 of those. I kind of feel like this is a missed opportunity, because I really feel like they could have looked like little chocolate chip cookies and that would have been adorable. But it smells absolutely amazing. If you pick this up, you will not be disappointed. And these are made with shea butter. Okay, so mini bath fizzies make bath time, me time. With fragrant bubbles that fizz and foam, add one at a time or add them all. The amount of fragrance and fun to be had during every soak is up to you. So I use Lush products. I use their bath bombs and bubble bars and everything. And something, you know, some companies, like I had bought a bath bomb from Ulta Beauty and it really irritated my skin. So I'm very particular about that. But I am going to give this a try. And hopefully it does not disappoint. But I love the packaging. I wish they had looked like little chocolate chip cookies. That would have been adorable. So I traded in, which hand soap was it that I said smelled like Vicks Vapor Rub? I traded in Vicks Vapor. I think it was it Frozen Lake? But anyway, I traded in Vicks Vapor Rub for Mary Cookie hand soap. And it's so adorable. Little gingerbread man on there with the golds. Very lovely. And I love Mary Cookie. I need it in everything. Yeah, it smells nice. It smells like sugar cookie baking. And I love that. So yeah, Mary Cookie is available in hand soap. And then I traded in another one that I didn't care for. I don't even remember what. Let me see if it's on here. No, they didn't put it on here. But I traded in another nasty smelly hand soap for more Blueberry Crumble. Now this is like the 6th bottle of Blueberry Crumble that I have gotten in hand soap. This fragrance is absolutely amazing. But you have to be a bakery lover to like this. So this smells like a blueberry pie, like the crust. It smells more like the crust of a blueberry pie with blueberries. It's beautiful. Every time I wash my hands with this and I'm just doing things, whatever, I'm like, ooh, it smells like pie. And it's my hands. It's so fragrant. It smells amazing. Like, But you have to like bakery in order to enjoy this because, like I said, it actually smells more like the crust of the pie. You know what I mean? With some sugar and blueberries added to the crust, which I love because I love bakery scents. So a small haul for you. Bath and Body Works has had incredible sales going. Yesterday they had mist for $5.50, and I think today maybe wallflowers for $3.95 or something like that. But they've just had incredible sales. So you guys just you know, I'm waiting for sales now because the prices on everything are increasing. And I hate to say this, but I do feel like the quality is going down. Not happy about that. Some of the mists don't last long at all. They're not strong. You can't smell them. It just, I don't know what's going on because I love Bath and Body Works. It's kind of breaking my heart. And they change the packaging like twice a year to justify a price increase, and yeah, it's just I don't know. But they're having so many sales, I can't complain too much. So wait for a sale, buy what you want, be patient, and I think we'll be okay. So thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. I really appreciate it. And please comment and let me know if you're going to try the Bath Fizzies or if you already have. I know they have them in other fragrances, but I was only interested in Mary Cookie because I'm obsessed with it. So thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.